Alright, so I'm back. Now we need to start building some tables. Clearly the driver's license number, date of birth would go into a table by himself. So we'll do driver's license number and date of birth. And of course we're going to do last name, first name, and we're going to do address, city, state, and zip code. And we'll mark the ones that we've done. So we have driver's license number, date of birth, last, first, address, city, state, and zip. Again, we'll do sex, we'll do eye color, we will do height, and those all sort of fit together. And then we can, if we have multiple endorsements, so if we have endorsement 1, endorsement 2, endorsement 3, clearly that's not going to work in third normal form. So we will do an ID, we will do a driver's license number, and we will do an endorsement, which is ENDORS. So this is going to be our drivers table, and this will be our endorsement table. So we do a endorsement, and we would do the same thing for restrictions. So we do restrictions, and that's going to be an ID, it's going to be a driver's license number, and it's going to be restrictions. Again, we have multiple classes for our license. No, so we can put class over here as well. If for some reason we can't have multiple classes, we would make it into a new table. So we'll do a class here. All right, this is going to be an ID to somewhere else. We can put that over here. So we'll put that one. Same with the signature and the photo. All right, now we have when it was issued, we have an expiration and the number of duplicates. Here's the deal. I know if you get a driver's license in Pennsylvania and you leave the state and you come back, you get the exact same driver's license number. So your driver's license, if we have this set up as a person and then license information, as opposed to just license information that's not connected to a person. And there's two different ways of designing this database. If we do it as a person and then connect it to a driver's license, we have to break this up into multiple tables. And the other thing we have to think about is if I have a current license and it has an issue date and an expiration date, if that overwrites the previous license information, there's no historic record for me. So if we have a single field here that says issued and expired, then we don't have any historical data. If we want to keep a historic data, we will say what we'll call it issued, and again we're going to do an ID, we'll do a driver's license number, and then we'll do the issued and expired. And so we'll do issued and expired. Now the number of duplicates. Remember, I might have only one copy of this license, but could have had multiple duplicates of a previous license. So it's the license record in our issued one, which would have the duplicate field. So then we have the duplicates in here. So far, we have all the information from the database, from the physical license into our tables. Now we've needed to add new primary keys for this table. Now the next step is putting them into third normal form, and we'll do that in a minute.